Welcome to Strasbourg. Nestled in the heart of Alsace, this enchanting city is a blend of French elegance and German charm, where every street tells a story and every corner invites exploration. Strasbourg exudes youthfulness and energy. If you love heritage, culture, and the art of living, there's no doubt that you'll fall in love with this city. Dominating the skyline is the Strasbourg Cathedral, an architectural marvel that dates back to the 12th century. Its Gothic spires and intricate details are breathtaking. Climb to the top for a panoramic view that's worth every step. Step into Petite France, a fairy tale quarter with half-timbered houses, winding canals, and cobblestone streets. This district is a unique historical experience that everyone shall visit and feel the romance and nostalgic times. It's like walking through a storybook where every scene is picture perfect. One of the best ways to experience Strasbourg is by boat. Glide along the Ill River and see the city from a new perspective. The gentle sway of the boat and the scenic views make for a relaxing adventure. Don't miss visiting the Strasbourg Christmas Market, a magical experience filled with festive lights, delicious treats, and handcrafted gifts. Located in the heart of the picturesque Alsace region, this market is one of the oldest and most renowned in Europe, creating unforgettable holiday memories. Strasbourg is not just about history and beauty. It's also a hub of modernity and politics. Visit the European Parliament and get a glimpse of where important decisions shaping Europe are made. As night falls, Strasbourg transforms into a magical wonderland. The illuminated bridges, vibrant nightlife, and cozy wine bars create an enchanting atmosphere that's perfect for a night out. Strasbourg is a city that captivates with its blend of old and new, French and German, serene and vibrant. It's a place where every moment is a discovery and every visit feels like coming home. Come and explore Strasbourg, a city that welcomes you with open arms and leaves you with unforgettable memories.